We have around 600 plus unique users using our bot.
What kind of advice would you give person in sales or business development identifying the right opportunities to mimic the success that we're having?
With the current experience, what I have from the last 2 years with the bot, I can definitely see an opportunity in every area of the project, not only on the service what we are doing, that can be best utilized to the existing team members. So whatever the repeated work we were doing, that can be given to a bot, or whatever the sort of SOPs we were using, that can be converted to bot to ease our work. So that will definitely help to improve the productivity of the existing workforce. And there's no bar of implementation. We can so the only thing we identify the best use case so that your bot can help for that.
That's great advice. I mean, I would have to, when I asked that question, I kind of had a predetermined answer in my head because I've done so many of these from the implementation side, and that is, the use case is the biggest thing, right? I mean, you've got to have a good solid use case. And if you do, then the success really kind of, as long as you got a good, solid team behind it and everything else and a good solid product, your implementation is going to go well and you're going to have success, but you got to have that right use case.
These are things which we did outside the job, okay, which makes the thing better for the customer, for the team members who are using and doing what they are doing, right? Correct. IPTV manual testing becoming automated takes the business away from me. I had about 5 to 6 manual testers for 6 months. Now the automation completely takes the 6 people out of the system, right? It's business value to the customer, net, right?
Right.
The job can have automated independent of people, right? It's a great thing. Automation, if you can take it to 100%, this IPTV automation is 100% actually, okay? We're going to now have no team members for that. We're going to give it to a NOC team, which is there. So basically they save on 5 to 6 people billing net. That's one way of looking at it. Right. It saves time. It's a manual activities now become automated. And IPTV is a very critical part of the business in terms of a OTT delivery supply chain.
Hi, I'm Carl Monzon. I'm part of the RTS and ES team here at Guatemala. We have been using ITS for quite a while now. Before we had that tool, we need to search on multiple tools to get to the knowledge bases and search for the fault codes or error that the customer provided to us. ITS is a tool that helps us to find solutions quicker because it searches on multiple tools at the same time, so it's easier for us to find a solution, and also has helped us to improve the solve rate. We are very happy using that, and we hope that it keeps improving.
So that's a big deal. But here's the cool thing. If you take a look at that KPI screen and that dashboard on the right, that's an actual dashboard taken from that was the point of implementation of our product at this particular customer. It took a slight rise during the learning curve, and then it dropped through the floor. Now their MTTR is sitting at about 32.5 minutes or so, which is pretty phenomenal for their type of product that they manufacture. So this is real value, guys. This is real value. And it's not just for manufacturing. Manufacturing does see 50% reduction in knowledge article access time, along with all these other kind of benefits. They're typically the ones who have really benefit from this the most. But also high tech. Look at that number: 45% reduction in ticket resolution times. And telecom, financial services, even. It doesn't have to be a physical product. It can be a service. It can be a vacation rental, right? Where you've got something like a VRBO or something along those lines, and customers, going out and going to be, leveraging that property, and they have problems, with getting in, or with the facilities, or something gets broken. These all result in service calls, right? Same kind of thing. So to kind of recap a little bit, I wanted to go over these 5 things one more time again for you guys, and make sure that if you're evaluating a product out there, that these 5 elements are within that product, and that they're well implemented, and that there's some customer data behind it, and some usage data behind it that can be proven. So augmented analytics, again, big, huge one. And I mentioned agent analytics, but this is analytics across the whole platform. So analytics on how much data is coming in, how many resolutions and connections are being made between symptoms and root causes and all that, how well the conversational AI is understanding the client and being able to respond to them, and how many potential first call resolutions that or first contact resolutions in that case that the bot is actually able to achieve, which results in call deflection. And then the value-based success model, right? And that's a big one in terms of investment. We like to say that we provide ROI day one instead of one day. You know, kind of a catchy phrase, but if you can achieve that, that's a pretty amazing statement. And then the continuous learning is huge, as well as the intelligent guidance and cognitive search. So to learn more about AI-based service optimization platforms and specifically about HCL IntelliService, please feel free to reach out via email at ask.intelliservice@hcl.com to schedule a free business value assessment. And chances are I might be involved with that. So as I'm the primary global solutions architect for this product. So I hope to talk to you, and thank you again for your time. Have a wonderful day.